Today, I'm going to show you how you can create engaging and beautiful AI avatar videos for your presentations. And the best thing is you can try it for free inside of Canva. To get going, go to Canva, look for all apps. You're gonna look for the ones that says AI powered. Once you're there, you're gonna look for the app called Synthesis Humus. This is the one that we're gonna be using today to create those beautiful and engaging AI avatar videos. So after that's done, you're gonna have two options. Either select it and use it with a presentation you already have inside of Canva, or you can use it with a new design. I'm going to use it with an existing presentation, which is the one that I have right here today. Now let's go step by step. The first step is choose your own AI avatar. You have two options to do this. You can either choose from this library that you see right over here, or you can use it with a picture and you can bring it to life. The only thing with this option, you have a limited options inside of Canva, and if you want to use it even more, all you gotta do is go to the app directly, and even you can upload a picture of yourself. Let's continue. You have two options of viewer mode for your own AI avatar. You can use it in a rectangular form like you have right over here, or you can use it in a rounded form. I always prefer the rounded one. And you can even include background color that you want for your own AI avatar. I chose this pinkish one so it can stand out for the whole presentation. Then after that's done, now you have the second option, which is adding the script. Because I'm following step by step this presentation, I'm gonna copy paste the title, I'm gonna put it right over here. Then you can see it. Now comes a part of selecting the voice of your own AI avatar. And as you can see, you have a library full of selections of voices from different parts of the world and different languages. I'm gonna try this one's right over here because you can test them. And I selected at the end, this one over here says Sonia. All you gotta do is then listen to the script with the voice that you selected. This allows you to have that option before generating the video to play it and see if you like how both match the avatar video along with the voice. Okay?
Attracting dream clients. Content strategy guide.
And if you like it and it's perfect for you, all you gotta do is click on generate video. And you're going to go to the option that says recent videos. There you're going to see different trials that I have done, and you're going to see the latest one that I selected is right over there. So once it's uploaded and it's all there, you're going to double click on it and it's going to appear right here on your presentation, as you can see. This is as simple as possible as you can add your own AI avatar video for your presentation. If you want to continue this and you want to put in all of your presentation, you're going to do exactly the same thing. I'm going to go to slide number 2 and I'm going to do the same thing. Select the same AI avatar, add the script, select the voice, listen to the script before and then generate video, and you can do it again and again and again for the whole presentation.
Attracting dream clients. Content strategy guide.
So one thing to clarify. Yes, you can try it for free and use it inside of Canva, but you have limited amounts of credits to do this. If you want to continue doing it, if you want to truly use this more and more and more, all you gotta do is go to the app, Synthesis Humus, the website, and then you're gonna select which is the best option for you to continue using this app. But the great thing about this is it creates incredible AI avatar videos for your presentation. They look human, the voice is great, and this is another option that you can do to save time, to create more content, and also to not be the only person sharing your presentations. So all the best, and this is the power of AI.